Hi everyone, my name's Nate, and welcome to Tuesday Tales. Today I will be reading Steam Train, Dream Train by Sherri, Duskey, Rinker, and Tom Lichtenheld. Very cool cover. And here we go. Through the darkness, clickety-clack, coming closer down the track. Hold your breath so you can hear huffing, chuffing, drawing near. A whistle blares out in the night, a mighty engine, wondrous sight. The smokestack puffs, the big wheels grind, the trusty tenders close behind. Cling, clang, the bell rings out on top. Hissing steam, brakes squeal, then stop. The driver signals to the crew. Each worker knows just what to do. Quick, before it gets too late, start to load up all the freight. Everything will soon be stowed, a train car matched to every load. The crew slides back the boxcar doors and tumbles in to start their chores. They whirl, twirl, cartwheel, jump, but cargo's stowed without a bump. Things that rock and roll and spin are all juggled safely in. I like that juggling monkey. The freight is loaded as they play. They work and bounce the night away. Building blocks, erector sets, bikes and kites and model jets. The boxcars made to safely haul almost anything at all. The hopper's top is open wide, so cargo can be poured inside. The crew hops to it, one and all. They get to work and have a ball. Then, with a bounce, a pounce, a leap, 3 boys jump in and fall asleep. Tankers, lined up in a row, are getting filled with paints to go. Purple, yellow, green, and blue, a color convoy coming through. The reefer car is snug and cold. Its chilly box can safely hold frozen treats for every stop, like a rolling ice cream shop. The train car's packed, the crew sits back and chills out with a midnight snack. Ten hard workers lend a hand to fill the gondolas with sand. Sand for castles, moats, and more. Sand for tunnels, sand galore. Stacked up on the auto rack, 6 race cars for a private track. Rainbow colors, flames and stripes, shiny engines, chromy pipes. The auto rack will gently keep these fast, fast cars all fast asleep. The well cars carry giant beasts munching on enormous feasts. Brachiosaurus likes the view, while T-Rex gets a bone to chew. The flatbed cars are rolling beds. The weary crew can rest their heads and settle in and tuck in tight. Their work is finished for tonight. The red caboose is last in line. From the lookout, all looks fine. The freight and crew are tucked away. The next stop is another day. A hiss, a jolt, a shift and sway. Now the journey's underway. The train's departing, car by car. The headlight fades into the stars. Puffing, chuffing, out of sight. Steam train, dream train. Good night. And that was Steam Train, Dream Train with Sherri, by Sherri, Duskey, Rinker, and Tom Lichtenheld. I really like the art in this one. It's very pretty. I like all of the silly animals. I also really liked all the names and the functions of the cars. So we had the reefer car, for example, where they kept the frozen treats. We had the steam engine itself way up at the front. It named a lot of very interesting parts of the train that all did different things. And all the tools that all the crew used to work with those different cars. This seems to me a great opportunity to check out the Great Train Story here at the museum, where we have a lot of trains that go around the track, and a lot of those tiny models of trains show those different cars that do those different things that the crew talked about, right? So I would recommend the next time you're looking at the Great Train Story, think back to some of the cars that you saw that this crew worked on in Steam Train, Dream Train, and see if you can maybe find some new cars and maybe look up, with your grown-ups' help, what those cars are used for and how trains move almost all the things we need around. Anyway, thank you for checking out Tuesday Tales. My name's Nate. I work in the guest experiences department, so I'm one of those folks wandering around wearing lab coats. So we're here for you too. Feel free to come say hi to us. And thank you so much for checking out Tuesday Tales, and see you next time at the museum. Take care.